removal of unnecessary trees or clearing land that has been planned for construction requires cutting or relocating trees to other positions. However, for larger trees, cutting them down is the most accurate solution. But this task always requires the necessary skills for workers to ensure safety for themselves and the surrounding environment. Do you have any knowledge about this job? Let's find out together. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
I'm gonna walk around to this side.
The process of cutting down a large tamarind tree next to a house is a job that needs to be done carefully and safely to avoid damage to the house and those around it. During this process, using a saw and a safety rope system are two essential tools. After fully preparing the equipment, the person cutting the tree will start cutting from the top of the tree, cutting small sections of the tamarind tree to ensure that there is no risk of the tree falling on the house or surrounding objects. While cutting, the person using the saw will use the safety rope system to ensure safety. They will tightly tie the rope around the tree trunk and lower the cut pieces of wood to the ground, ensuring that there is no collision or danger to people and the houses below. Using a sharp saw, each piece of wood is cut off and brought down to the ground. With this process, using a saw and a safety rope system are crucial to ensuring safety and avoiding damage to the house and surrounding objects. A team of professional workers are cutting down a large pine tree in a customer's garden. They arrived early to prepare their tools and assess the job before starting the work. Within the team are professional sawyers with many years of experience in the field, ensuring safety and efficiency for the cutting process. They use specialized tools, including chainsaws and safety ropes, to ensure safety and avoid damage to the environment around them. After the pine tree is cut, the team continues to move it to the grinding machine for processing. Once the pine tree has been processed, the garden area is cleaned up, collecting the debris, branches, and leaves, and splitting the wood into smaller pieces for easier transport. They use specialized tools and techniques to clean up the area quickly and cleanly. The large wood pieces are safely cut and brought down to the ground, and they will be used to produce furniture for the customer's family. Professional tree cutters are individuals who have experience and a deep understanding of the process of cutting trees safely and effectively. They can analyze a tree and assess its condition to determine the most suitable cutting plan. Professional tree cutters will use specialized tools and safety harness systems to ensure their own safety and that of their surroundings. They also have the ability to read the environment around them to make decisions about cutting trees accurately and avoiding damage to surrounding objects. In addition, professional tree cutters have experience and skills to handle large and difficult-to-cut trees. They can use techniques and tools to ensure that trees are cut efficiently and safely. Importantly, professional tree cutters can ensure that the job is carried out safely and in accordance with the correct procedures. They also have the ability to clean up the area after cutting to ensure the customer's satisfaction. All of these factors demonstrate the professionalism and skill of professional tree cutters in cutting trees safely and effectively. The technique of top-down tree cutting is one of the methods used to safely and effectively cut down a tree. When using this technique, the tree cutter will start by cutting at the top of the tree and continue cutting down the tree section by section until it reaches the base. This method is used to avoid safety issues when cutting a tree from the base up. When cutting a tree from the top down, the wood pieces will fall in the opposite direction of the cut, so the risk of being crushed or injured is very low. However, the top-down cutting technique requires careful assessment and calculation to ensure that the tree is cut in the right direction and does not cause damage to the surrounding objects. Evaluating the health of the tree is also an important issue before cutting, as if the tree is already dead or has been deteriorating for a long time, a different method must be chosen. This ensures fast and accurate completion of the job while ensuring safety for the tree cutter.
Amazing. Absolutely. I don't even think I had it. And what he's doing is as he's coming down, he's lowering his boat. Oh God, looks like it's coming to him.
Therefore, tree removal work not only requires us to have professional tools to ensure the safety of the cutter, but also requires a deep understanding of tree cutting techniques. Industrial machinery to support the cutter such as saws, lifts, and wood grinders, which are extremely important in this work. These machines can help reduce the completion time of the job efficiently. Isn't that amazing? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.